Hi guys, Nicology here, bringing you this Minecraft command block tutorial. Today I will be showing you guys this checkpoint system. This checkpoint system works in 1.9 and above. So the way this works is I got this empty map in my hand called the big checkpointer, and it says go back to your last checkpoint. If I click it, nothing happens now. But as soon as I walk over one of these diamond blocks, it gets activated, my checkpoint is set, I go away, right click, and I'm back at my last checkpoint. Same with this one, just walk onto this, go away, and I get teleported back. One little note, you'll always be facing south when you get teleported back. I don't know why this happens, but it's just the way it works. So let's start with the tutorial. First, we need to give ourselves a command block, which we do with the following command, /give, then your player name, mine's Nicology, followed with Minecraft, command underscore block. Press enter and you got your command block. And we're going to put these wherever you want, but make sure they're like placed in the shape I'll be showing you now. So place one here with 3 behind it. Go back to the first one, leave 1 space, place another one and 2 behind it. So you have a line of 4 and a line of 3 with 1 block gap in the middle. Okay, so the way this works is using ArmorStands, which we, as soon as we walk over the diamond blocks, kill, and then we summon a new one in. So when we leave, there's only one ArmorStand left, which we can then, if we use the map, teleport to. So the first command block in the line of 4, we're going to set to repeat, always active, and add in the following command /execute at A, which targets all players. And we're going to use these wavy lines with a space in between, space, detect, and again one of the wavy lines, but except for this one in the next to the second one we place -1 and another wavy line. Then we're going to detect a block beneath them. In this case it's Minecraft diamond underscore block with a damage value of 0. And as the way the execute command works, we say like execute, then we detect the block beneath them, and then we gotta give it an action to perform. In this case I'm going to do /setblock, and then the block above the command block, doing this, and I'm gonna set it to the stone block just to activate the machine. We gotta use this with a damage value of 0 again. You can pick any block you want, the same for the diamond block, you can pick any block, but make sure to change it in every command. The reason we do this is just to like activate the machine. So the next one in line is going to be a chain command block, unconditional and always active as well. In this one we're going to write the same as we did the previous one, which is /execute at A, again the wavy lines, detect a block beneath them. Has to be a diamond block with a damage value of 0. Then what we're gonna do is /kill the ArmorStands. If there were already ArmorStands place down in the world, we're gonna kill the checkpoint ArmorStand, because otherwise we would have like 2 or multiple ArmorStands we could teleport to, messing up the system. So we first gotta kill the existing ArmorStand, which we're gonna do by /kill at E, which targets all entities, and then we're gonna select the exact ArmorStand we want. So we do these square brackets, and in between we write type equals ArmorStand with a capital between with a capital A and a capital S, then comma, name equals, and then you can choose a random name. I'll call mine checkpoint, like that, and that's the second command done. Okay, onto the third command block. This one has got to be a chain as well, always active, unconditional, and last we're gonna start again with the /execute part, which we've done twice before already, so I don't have to explain it again, I think. Okay, what we're gonna do now is summon a new ArmorStand at the exact position of the player with an invisible. It has to be invisible, and we're gonna give the custom name the same as the name we used before for the ArmorStand we killed. In this case it's checkpoint. You can give it another name, but make sure it's the same in both commands. So the command is as follows: /summon ArmorStand, again 3 wavy lines with a space in between them, and then we're gonna add some properties to the entity, to the ArmorStand, doing with these curly brackets, and in between we're gonna write CustomNameVisible and give it value of 0, which makes, make sure to write it in between the brackets. So it's CustomNameVisible 0, which makes sure the player can't see the name of the checkpoint. Now we're gonna give it a name. That's CustomName. I'll call mine checkpoint. You can call yours whatever you want, call it Hank if you want to. And next we're gonna make it invisible, so invisible, and give it a value of 1, which makes it invisible. And that's the third command block done, nearly halfway. Okay, in the last one, what we're gonna do is, remember, we place a block of stone on top of the first command block to make sure the checkpoint system starts working. So now we gotta remove it again. We're gonna do it with this following command: /setblock, then at least the wavy lines with next to the middle one 1, which indicates that it's the Y value. So you put the block on top. And then we're gonna set it to Minecraft air with a damage value of 0. But now we're gonna make sure it's the block above the first command block. So make sure to change it to chain and always active and unconditional. Now we're gonna look in this direction from the last block in which we wrote the setblock command to the first. I'm gonna look at the towards positive X. That's what we gotta know. So what we gotta do is indicate that we want this block. So we do move this around by 1, 2, 3. We gotta add 3 at the positive X. So we're gonna go back into it. This is the X one, that's the Z one. the Z one, and we're gonna add a 3 here to indicate the block above the first command block. That's the first row done. Onto the second row. First one is gotta be repeat command, always active, unconditional. I'm gonna write the following command: /clear at a Minecraft filled underscore map. So we're going to try and clear Minecraft map from a player's inventory. Okay. Then next we gotta make this one a chain. The conditional, this one has to be conditional and always active. And we're gonna write the following command: /tp at a, so everybody, to every entity with, and then back again the square brackets, type equals ArmorStand, name equals, oh, that's without a capital, name equals, and then the name you picked for the ArmorStand minus check point. Onto the last command block. It's gotta be a chain, unconditional, always active. What we're gonna do is we're going to give every player in the world a map, but not one that's still empty. So if you right click it, you fill it, and it gets cleared from your inventory, and then at the end you get it back. So we're going to /replaceitem entity at a, and then we're going to pick a slot. So slot dot container dot, and then you gotta pick a number. So as you know, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 inventory slots. But if you were to like put it in the 5th, you gotta say 4. If you want to put it in the 1st, it's 0. So remember, count the inventory slot you want to put it in, subtract 1, and that's the number you gotta indicate. So I'm gonna put mine in the last one, which is normally 9 minus 1, 8. Then we're gonna put in a map. I'm gonna put in 1 with a damage value of 0. Then we're gonna give it a few custom properties. Okay, first one is display, so what it displays. Then we gotta do 2 curly brackets again, get in between them. Then gonna give it a different name, called mine the big check pointer, like that. And I'll give it a lore, so lore, and then you gotta do 2 square brackets like this, and then write anything you want, like go back to your last checkpoint, exclamation mark. And then we're going to go outside the square brackets and outside the first curly bracket, not the last one. We're going to do a comma, and we're going to give it an enchantment to make it look a little bit more special. So it's like ENCH, and then 2 square brackets, get in between them, 2 curly brackets, and get in between them. Then we're going to give it an idea. For this map, I gave it an idea which is like 88, which is not an existing enchantment, so it won't give you like extra advantages when using the map against someone else, or it's just giving the glowing effect without actually giving you an enchantment. Then we gotta add a level to the enchantment. I just give it level 1, you can give it any level you want. And that's the last command block done. First I'm going to deactivate these ones, and then we can try our contraption out. So let me remove this one, and as you see we get immediately our map back, our big check pointer. If we walk over this one, oh, something went wrong. Oh, I'm sorry. For the setblock command, don't use the curly lines. Go into F3, check the coordinates of the command block, like this. You can see them here, and just paste these in, which would be 8 to 4, 57, add 1 to the middle number, and minus 32. Enter. Do the same over here. So that would be 8 to 4 space 57 and then minus 32. Okay, now everything should be working, so let's try it out. I get teleported back. Let me go over to this one, get away, and we're back. So you see, checkpoint system works, everything's fine. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and enjoy your checkpoint system. Bye.